If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for Motorola Moto G87, then the answer depends on a couple of things. For example, if you already have a power adapter. So if you already do have a power adapter and it has 30 watts or more, then in that case the answer is no, because the phone can use up to 30 watts at most while charging the battery. So 30 watts is enough to actually to be able to charge the phone with the fastest speed possible. So in that case, you don't have to really purchase a power adapter. But if you expect the phone to come with a charger, then it is a little bit more tricky, because in many regions and countries, the power adapter is not included. You can take a look at the box and try to find this graphic over here, which clearly, of course, informs us then that the power adapter is not included. In case you cannot take a look at the box, you can try to ask the person that is selling the phone to you if the power adapter is included. So in that case, you can decide if you actually need to purchase a power adapter or not. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.